Dear viewers and listeners, last month I happened to visit the famous city of UK, Canterbury. This city is famous for only because of Geoffrey Chaucer. He was born in 1343 and passed away in 1400. He was not only an English poet but was the best civil servant as well. The English nation remembers him as the father of the English language, literature, and the poetry as well. He worked to promote the English language day and night. So his sum of major work as follows: The House of Fame, Parliament of Fowls, The Language of Good Women, a treatise on the Estrol, Annelida and Arcite, and above all, I like the most Canterbury Tales. It comprises on 17,000 lines. In the Canterbury Tales, he depicts the different modes of the clergy, the nobility, and the peasantry on a common pilgrimage to the shrine of Saint Becket. Although Chaucer is the writer and the poet who converted all the 24 stories told by the pilgrims into the form of poems, but the person who played the key role throughout the journey was the host Harry Bailey. In fact, he is the owner of the Tobard Inn, where the pilgrims gathered to start their sacred journey. Harry Bailey was a very joyful and dedicated person who agreed to manage this long journey and to tackle the problems and the disputes arose among the pilgrims throughout the journey. He himself suggested the pilgrims to tell their stories in the way they want and the topic they choose. In fact, the poet wants to make their moods happy and wants to assure this journey joyful and to make their moods happy. Thanks to watch and listen Dil Darya TV.